Welcome to another review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to look at the ALLSWIFIT slip-on women's athletic shoe. Now this athletic shoe can be used for anything from walking, cycling, hiking. It's basically a cross trainer type shoe. Now, what makes this better than some of the other shoes? First of all, like I said, it is slip-on. So if you notice, there are no laces to have to tie. The laces here are solid one piece built into the shoe. You simply are going to slide your foot in, push your heel down, and you're rocking and rolling on down the road. Now, a couple of really cool things about this is it is made with Lycra. Well, the Lycra is a very skin-friendly material. So if you put your bare foot in here, you don't have socks on, it's not going to irritate your skin like other shoes will. And speaking of irritating your skin, it is also very breathable, which means that the moisture will be wicked away from you and you're not going to end up being uncomfortable or end up with those bad foot odors that you end up with in a lot of other shoes out there. Now, they do a couple of things really cool here. They have a pull-up strap in the back and they have one in the very front that helps you get the shoes on really quick as you're sliding your foot in. It is very, very light, almost feather light. This one is in pink. You're going to have a choice of 8 different colors to choose from in this shoe. The all rubber sole is not only thick, but it has a lot of good gripping power on it, so it shouldn't be a very slippery shoe if you're out hiking. Another thing that I actually like is the inside. The insole is very, very plush. So if you end up standing on your feet all day, especially in one location, it's going to help relieve some of that. If you are pounding the ground and doing some type of an athletic type activity, it's going to help cushion with that as well. So overall, guys, I think it is a great little shoe. If I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 full stars because I think it's very well made. It's light. I love the fact that it's going to be very gentle on your skin. I love the cushioning inside because it's going to be comfortable all day long. Love the fact I don't have to tie shoelaces with this. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today, and we will see you guys on the next review.